Hey friends, this is Aliquity from Travel Gluten-free Podcast. I'm super excited to share with you today something that I really love, and that is Namaste cake cups. Because A, who doesn't love awesome cake because it's awesome, and B, who doesn't love easy awesome cake that you don't have to clean up a bunch of bowls and stuff from. So it's super easy. It's made with any kind of milk you want, so it can be non-dairy milk because a lot of celiacs can't have regular milk, and a tablespoon of oil. All of the ingredients are vegetarian, so this is it can be a completely vegan dessert for you if you don't use cow milk. And so it's super great. They have lots of different flavors. They have single serving packets like this in yellow cake mix. They got yellow cake mix again. They have cinnamon sugar, and they also have chocolate. Now, besides single servings, it comes in this yummy, yummy box. So if you can't get enough of the single serving, or you want to take it at home for multiple celiacs or multiple gluten-free people, definitely check out Namaste Organic Cake Cups. You and your family are going to love these. They're super amazing, tasty, and good. So this is Liquidy signing off. Remember to enjoy food, enjoy travel, and enjoy life.